Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to replace, change, and install. And this is the passenger side fender. And if you can see it there, the body shop took off the bumper, so I'll do a separate video on that one. But let me just show you how it's done. And this is on a 2003 Mercury Mountaineer, but it's compatible for 2002 to 2005 Mercury Mountaineers. And I'm sure the Explorers and Aviators and other vehicles should be very similar as far as this trim goes. Okay, so first what you want to do, I don't know if you can see that there, and that one there, the screw, this thing here, and I have some mud guards, so I gotta take them off because I gotta get the fender off. And I'm sure there was stuff here on this side. I'm guessing that's what this was for the bumper. I don't know if it affects the fender, but you can see this top portion here, and this pulley. I'll pop up the hood to see what's under there. And let me get underneath here. There's two screws, if I remember. Let's see if I can get these. Okay, here they are. You can see them kind of in here. This one there, and another one on the other side. That's to get this thing off first, and then gain access to the bumper. So let me just take these off now. Okay, I just wanted to show how I progressed. I did remove the light, which was here, and there were 2 bolts that were holding the fender. And then on the top, you can see all those bolts. There's 4 total. They're 8mm, by the way. And then also I had to remove, I guess, what is it, the splash guard or whatever that thing is. I'll show it right here. That was one of the pieces that came off. I don't know because of the accident or it's just separate. There's that piece, and then there's the splash guard or whatever that thing is called. And then the 2 on the bottom, I don't know if I can get it somewhere down there. There's 2 that are holding the fender. They're both 8mm as well. And then as soon as you remove the splash guard, you'll be able to see here. Let me see if I can turn on the light. Okay, there's the light there. Okay, I don't know if you can see there. That's the antenna. You remove that, and then you can see these. That's one, and then that's the other. Those 2 are the last ones that you remove, and then the entire fender will come out. And then of course you do have to swap this out unless your fender has that already. Oh, and then one other thing is the light. You just have to unplug it. I don't know if you can see there, and then it'll come off. And that's everything for the fender. And then of course you put the new fender on and put everything in reverse. So it did have a lot of these, I don't know if you can see there, these black clips that hold, I guess, the splash guard in place. And you remove that to get access to this area here. So let me go ahead and remove the fender now. Oh, one other thing I forgot. You do have to take off, of course, the antenna just to get it out of the way. Okay, and this is how it looks like with the fender off. And I did put back the antenna just so you could have an idea of how it was. And the other cable is that light on the side. So I did clean it up a little bit, you know, just in case anyone's wondering. Okay, and here's the fender off already on the side, and you can see these are the ones on the top that you have to remove. I did remove a bracket there, and I put it onto the new one, but you can see these other screws that are around the wheel well. These 2
are the ones that get connected to the door, and then these are the very bottom ones, the big ones, and then these are just to hold the, let me show you. It's to hold this, basically the, I guess another part of the fender, but the bottom portion, and then here's the new one, but it attaches there. So basically to put it back on, it's all everything in reverse. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Oh, and there's the bracket I was talking about that I took off so I could put into the new one. Well, it's used, I got it in a junkyard, but either way. Okay, and there's the bumper, the fender, sorry, already put back, as you can see here. And I put the liner, or the splash guard, or whatever that's called, around it, and you can see there. And I also attached the, I guess that panel, silver panel on the side. And everything is on there, well, including the light, but I gotta replace that later. And you can see I plugged in the antenna, and then also this is the light cable that I was talking about. And that's basically everything, putting it back. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Like the video, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.